Today, you're going to look at how you can make a voice more crystal clear. Because with your iPhone, directly with the inbuilt microphone, when you record something, you will hear all the background noises, distortions, or whatever they're surrounding you. So, what you can do, record your videos, come back home, record your voiceover separately, and you can add with it. Coming back home, recording your audio separately, it won't come more real. So my best option is go for a wireless microphone, and that will help you having a quality voice along with your video. Again, I'm not making any product promotions or review. I can show you how the wireless microphone connected with your iPhone. And when you go for a wireless microphone, you can look for this product specifications, like how many meters it could cover and what is the compatibility and distance. What I said, like minimum you should have 20-15 meters. That's pretty much more comfortable zone for your recording, because you can put your phone somewhere and 15-20 meters you can just walk around and you can just make a log or you can talk about anything, and that will capture more clear and crisp on the iPhone. So this is the wireless microphone. So you can just connect with your iPhone, and also the microphone you can just hook it up on your shirt, t-shirt, or wherever you want it to, and then you can go for it. So let's see what's inside here. Again, I'm not doing any product review or recommendations. You can go for any kind of wireless microphone to connect with your iPhone. You can buy whatever the brand, whatever you want. I'm just trying to explain what could be the better way to connect with your iPhone to have your quality voice over on your videos or your recordings. So it looks like you got one USB charger, so you can connect to your USB port, and then this will goes to your device, your microphone. And you have a microphone here, and you have your iPhone dongle here, and just a clip, and you got a manual. I don't need that manual. So let's see this. I don't need this charger now because I hope it might be already charged. Let's see. And I don't need this. So this will be our microphone and the dongle. Let me connect this to my iPhone. Now the inbuilt microphone is turned off. We need to turn on this new microphone. It has a clip. You can use it to clip on your shirt or t-shirt. So let's put that in. It's just a view how it looks inside the sponge. Let's put it back in. So to turn it on, there is a power button here. You can just hold that for a few seconds and it will turn on your microphone. So whatever you hear from now on, it's from the new microphone. Okay, so now let's see this microphone, how it's gonna work. Let's put this here like this. So you can see the microphone, I just put it inside here and it's more clear. Whatever you are hearing, it's all from my microphone, and I'm just going far from my iPhone, and I almost like 10-15 meters away from my iPhone. I'm sitting here, so this is almost like a 15-meter far from my iPhone, and from here I could hear the voice more crystal clear. There's an aircraft running on the top and I can hear the noise, but on the
microphone, it's not picking it up. So it's having a good noise cancellation there. So it's just picking up only my voice and other background noises like an aircraft, cars running on my front yard. So I don't hear any of those noises, just only my voice, which is good. So you can try this 15 meters distance. It's pretty much good for any kind of voice recording and you can move around. So yes, go for it. Get your wireless microphone